How to fix avatar option not available on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'm about to show you how to fix avatar option that is not available on your Instagram application. So I'll be showing you various methods on how you can fix it. All you have to do is follow the instruction as guided. So one of the reasons why you're not able to access the avatar option on your Instagram, it might be that the Instagram application is not updated. So in order to update, you'll have to head towards your Play Store application and then on the search box type in Instagram. So after that, if you have update button, instead of open, then tap on the update button, which means that the update is available. So sometimes updating your application might be able to solve your problem. In case after updating your application as well, if you're still unable to find the avatar option, then what you can do is long press on your Instagram application and then tap on app info. And after you tap on the app info, next tap on storage. So after you tap on storage, over here you'll have to clear cache as well as clear data. So keeping in mind, after you clear data, all your information along with your history will be deleted, which means that you'll have to log in once again. Moreover, if you're not able to find the avatar option after doing all of these methods, then it means that the avatar option is not available on your region. And then the last option, what you can do is you can simply restart your device, and sometimes it might be an issue with the device and not with the application, and it might be able to solve your problem. So those were the few methods on how you can fix avatar option that is not available on your Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.